The office of the Registrar General wears several hats. One of the hats we wear is that of the Census Commissioner. The other hat that I wear is the Registrar General of Births and Deaths. The third hat is the National Registrar of Citizens. Okay, so there are different acts which are governing this. The Births and Deaths, for example, is under the Registration of Births and Deaths Act. So that gives you the figures of births, deaths, birth rates. We also do a sample registration survey. So all the birth rates, death rates, vital rates on a continuous basis is being done under that head. The NPR that you are referring to is done under the Citizenship Act. So this is a completely different exercise from the census. We were only piggybacking on the first phase of census to get the details required for the NPR collected. So we have already collected those forms. We have also scanned those records and we are in the process of now digitizing them. So after digitization is over, from April when the census is over, we'll start collecting the biometrics, photograph, 10 fingerprints and 2 iris prints, and this will feed into the UID, and after getting the UID, we will be issuing what is called the National Population Register card to every usual resident. So that would be the basic identity document, which would be a smart card, and this would be used for various purposes of the government. Since this would also have the UID number, UID is issuing only the numbers. So we are taking that number, putting it on our card and then giving it back to the residents. So that would be the basis after having the National Residence Register in place, which is the NPR, because NPR will have both citizens as well as non-citizens. The entire usual residents of this country will be mapped there. Then the next step of that would be citizens. So this is an intermediate step where we first create the National Population Register. From the Population Register, after due verification, the Citizen's Register would be done. So that is completely a different exercise from the census. Whether NRHM has contributed to X indicator being better, or whether the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan has led to better literacy, or whether NREGS has contributed to better employment, all this, the figures will speak.